Hello all. I had posted two polls very recently. Now let us look at the first poll. I did get messages asking me why you people are not getting notifications when I share something on the channel. I found out, the reason is now apart from just clicking on the bell icon, there are a few more things which you have to do. So um, this video is a slight example. I'm pretty sure a subscribe button would have been clicked. For some people, bell icon is not clicked, and for people for whom the bell icon is clicked, you need to do one more thing. Click on the bell icon and select all notifications. Only then you'll be getting instant updates whenever I share something on the channel, be it videos or the community post. Now coming to the second poll. Of course, majority of you want it as vlog, so it will be vlog. And thank you for the concern asking me to wear mask and all. But then I'm not going out anywhere. I do have other commitments. So what I'm doing is I'm sharing a vlog which was taken some time back. Clue: it's a vlog of me climbing a hill. Try to guess it. You'll get to know it tomorrow. And yeah, I had asked a question in the Kolkata vlog, day 2 vlog, this one. I was a bit surprised because I was expecting it as comments, but then most of you asked me personally. So yeah, let me clear it for you all. No, I'm not getting married, nor do I have any girlfriends. The shopping was done for my mother and sister. And I believe it's time I talk about this as well. Why do my videos come late? Let me take this trip as an example. I did it in December, but then I'm sharing the videos now. That is how this channel has been, and that is how it will be. This is just a hobby channel, and I upload videos only when I feel like doing it, and I also need time to edit videos. And one more thing, I'm not the person who goes and capture every CRS which is happening around. And some of you are asking me if I'm sharing the CRS of Konkan Railway electrification which happened pretty recently. And no, answer is no, I did not go. As I said, it involves a lot of time and money as well to travel to different places and capture it. Only if I have some connect to that line, or if it feels here, I'll go and capture things. Otherwise, I generally don't go. So I hope this point is clear. This is just a hobby channel. I try my best to upload things which you request, but then it doesn't mean that I can go always and capture it. So if I've raised your expectation regarding that, I'm really sorry about that. And coming to yesterday's video, the Madanepalli route 1, I did not expect such a good response. Many of you were happy seeing that route. In fact, that was the feeling I had when I traveled on that route. I regret not traveling on it when it was MG, because that was the last MG section having Guntakal YDM force. I really miss that. I sometimes feel I was born a bit late. I should have been born in the 80s. I could have enjoyed a lot of meter gauge section of South India. And talking about the same route, we were not supposed to take that train until 4 p.m. We were confused on what to do. Reason being, our tickets were REC in this train, the Machilipatnam Dharmavaram Express. And since we had a hectic 2 days at Kolkata and also hectic run, back-to-back runs, we were looking at alternatives, and the alternative which we got was the Dharmavaram Vijayawada Express. But then there's a catch. Reason being, Machilipatnam Dharmavaram brings us to Dharmavaram by 10, which gives us ample time to board the Dharmavaram Bengaluru and Memu, which departs at 12:45. Whereas if we are planning to take the Vijayawada Dharmavaram Express, its scheduled arrival is 1 at Dharmavaram, which means we'll be missing the Memu. There was a slight hope. Reason being, this Dharmavaram Memu generally runs late by 60 minutes, 40 to 60 minutes. So we were thinking about that, but then all these confusions were thrown out the moment it touched 4 p.m. because we got a notification saying that our tickets were confirmed and we were handed out 2 side lower berths. Which rail fan will say no to side lower berths? But then we had to say that in the end. Reason being, we wanted to sleep properly, and side lower berths, ICF generally is not a comfortable place to sleep. Even though it's a good place to watch outside, it's not a comfortable place to sleep. Reason being, the height is an issue, one point, and you always feel someone walking next to you. So that is not a comfortable place to sleep. At least for me, I am not comfortable with that. And luckily, a family wanted lower berth, so we extended with them and settled on the upper berth. And now coming to this video, this will be the last video of the Kolkata series. And in fact, I've already shared part of this as the first video, the doubling update video. So this video will contain very few parts. I mean, it will be mostly the crossing trains, apart from that few sections from Matli Durga. I hope you enjoyed this one. Hopefully I'll see you all on Sunday with the vlog.
ಇದು
The three-phase memo looks good from outside, even inside, but then I really hate this window design. I mean, you can open the window, but look at the grills. Not able to see anything outside. I mean, train journeys are fun, especially when you have a window seat and you're able to see outside world through the grills. But then with this grill setup, it's really difficult. And this train also has toilets, but then the toilet is very narrow, so a bulky person will find it really difficult to use it. And look who's entering Dharmavaram as we depart.
अपने आसपास के Help us to keep the trail clean. सुरक्षित यात्रा हेतु रेलवे को help the railways for safe journey. Station head. ನಿಮ್ಮ ವಸ್ತುಗಳನ್ನು ಗಮನಿಸದೆ ಇರಬೇಕು. Traveling without